Good day. Are there different causes for insomnia in different people? And if so, what are the cures?
There's not different causes or reasons for insomnia. Remember what I said. There's only one disease. And I said that that disease was mucus. When the membrane has been compromised, she asked the cause of insomnia. Where is the mucus? Come on the brain. So we remove it. That was happening to the tailor that they wanted me to train by, Mr. Bouidi Renau. He couldn't sleep for 5 years, but I was able to have him sleeping in a few days, in a few hours after taking the treatment. He was sleeping because the mucus left his brain. That's where you find the mucus.